Happy New Year and a Happy New Year from America.
What's that? Okay, let's take this down. Yes, it's 12 o'clock. You got more? Yeah! Woo! You can't stand up in the Glare Road. Oh, Charlie, I enjoy this. Woo! Yeah, see it, mommy? Oh, Jesus. Your phone dropping on my face.
I church people, I get excited.
Yeah.
Look at them show.
Charlie said. Give a kiss. Come.
Rapid.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, babe. We can't turn up time.
3 minutes past already, you know. 3 minutes past already.
Alright. Sunflower. Just a reload.
Can you tell the difference between the fireworks and the gunshots?
already? You trying that out already? Wow. 24 for 2024. Hey.
What?
The last 6 years.
You know I don't like that.
It's like this is not going to do.
Yeah.
Come to this. Right shut off. Don't move on, don't move on. Yeah, light it.
Mommy and me like that. Woo. It's cold. Woo. Sorry, record me. Woo. What is that? Ooh. Take up your trash. You can't just put everything in that box. How was it? What's that?
Where is it?
That's gunshots.
Hopefully there's no falling bullets.
Charlie.
I'm gonna see no firework after that.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Please hurry up. Woo. Woo. Everything never come in there.
Eh?
Everything never come in that box.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo! Happy New Year!
Later that day.
Happy New Year 2024. Gonna have some fun with Zane and Mommy.
Hold on. Look.
So Zane, this is your version of the fireworks we did at midnight. So you get one.
So which end light?
Top.
This? So what down here so far?
What?
This side. Just to hold it?
Yeah, you know what?
I don't remember. I haven't used this in so long. Hold on, Zane. Hold on. Hey. Yeah.
Let me do a test run.
Do a test run with the one with the top. Look at Eddie. Look.
Look. 1, 2, 3.
I think it's the other side.
Other side.
Yeah. This side. Oh.
Ooh.
Whoa. Oh, because we took off it. Look.
Look.
Whee.
Zane. Zane. Look.
Look at it. at it. It's okay. It's okay. Look. It's okay. It's done. All done. Look. All done. All done. All done. You don't like it? Alright. Let's start off with this. Okay, let's take this down. Until next time. Okay, so we're almost done. I think we have 2 or 3 more lights on the tree. The one that's on the trunk and then the one at the bottom. So
how many string of lights you took off already?
2.
And I'm still on the first one, which is around the trunk.
That's the first one that was put on.
Right. The
Yeah.
hardest one.
Yeah, the hardest one. Intertwine, and that helped to light the tree up better.
Yeah, I'm afraid until this one come off, that will create a problem with yours.
Unplug it.
Eh?
Unplug it. This one. This is probably the hardest part of Christmas with a real tree. Putting on the lights is hard, but you know what you're gonna see when you're done. You expect something pretty. But no, we have to go think about getting rid of the tree.
So if we had curbside trash service, would be easy. Knowing the collection days, but that's not here. There is valet trash, but not the type that.
Not waste trash, waste like for when you cut your lawn and stuff. We don't have that in here.
So basically, I have to put back this tree on top of the vehicle or in the trunk and lower the back seat. And bring it straight to the landfill where they would have went if they were picked up by the curbside.
Start wrapping. Start wrapping up.
So it's get easier now. Because the down here, so there's
What's this? In the branches.
this grilled it. That done probably get the tongue off it.
I'm glad we removed the rug. I'm rocking this night, my basically, we had each string is 150 lights. How much of this? A tree?
You said 3.
3, 4, 5,
5:30.
Charlie, no.
What?
616 and 6530.
6:30. You said 150 times 6? 6 times 5
6 times
is...
100 and
Listen to
600.
me. 6 times 5 is 30. And
Yeah,
then
it's all
listen to them, man. I saw me do my thing. Sure. And me pass maths in a fourth form, and you. So,
Or you could have said
listen to me as I complete it. 6 times 5 is 30. You already know, say the 0 that they already done this up. 0. Bring the 3 over this up.
Get a holy for much.
Hold on, man. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 plus 3 is 8. So that is 800.
What you could have said?
You could have said, but me not see it not made that way. My father tried with me to do the easy way, but I just never retain it. Never grasp it. So you and your father-in-law can par with maths, not me.
You used to see that it wrap up water hose in this way. Water hose and whisk. You don't even know what the right name for whisk.
The thing you put on the lawnmower cut or something, like waka. That's something that we spin, you call whisk.
No.
What you call that you spin?
Whisk. I don't know. I don't get that name. Blade.
Blade? After not blade.
I don't blade, but it turned out to be blade.
It's like something like we don't call whisk. Does it make a sound there?
Whisk are something that you come off a tree. You get the whisk to tie up certain things I must say, like they used to use the whisk and tie up collar.
So basically like something looking like long strands of grass.
Like the Tarzan thing then, but then maga.
Tarzan thing then.
Like what Tarzan swim pan.
Oh, so we not swing on it too?
Yeah.
But the
we
tip
used to
one
do that
them,
too.
one them we know.
We used to do that too.
So you call it the tree that we produce and whisk tree?
I don't know. Just know say, you always say, oh, we're gonna find some whisk. I wonder what the real name for that. What is the real name? I'm gonna find pictures. Whisk.
Or you could do it the YouTube way.
What?
Comment down below and let us know what is whisk. What is the correct name for whisk if there's a correct name.
Anybody else know whisk?
You know, something that is found on a tree. Like where them
I
make
think them used to make wicker.
wicca.
I don't know the right term for the something them. The chairs them when them make.
Oh,
With them twine something them out that we call it wicker.
that's the type of chairs my father had in Meadowbrook and veranda.
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem to be something from a tree per se. It seems to be some kind of rubber.
And the ex-husband used to go with them and find this.
Oh. So who knows if this is the right way? I'm just doing it just because it seems to be legitimate, but not sure.
It look like it.
Then no.
Your arm bigger than mine, obviously. So when me done the two of them meet up at the top.
Oh.
No, but just take it off now and just wrap it up at the top and plug it in together. Alright, okay.
Wrap it up by the top.
So
Like this.
these are all the
Plug it in.
plug it in one another. All the fallen needles. The lighting is bad because I have a light for the camera, but Zane, not to throw blames, but he was playing with it and I didn't realize that it needed to charge, and today's the day to get the tree down, so on with the show.
So the light in there, huh?
Oh, all this time, and it does make a little difference, but yeah, make it stay. So now we reveal all of the fandangles that's underneath the skirt. So the water look now, with weird things in there, look like one lake. So the old skirt so, and the bath mat. Yep. Knock it off outside. Look at that. See a bug? I saw a bug.
Where?
Right there.
Go saw. Yeah, make it easy for me.
You want to make it easy?
This not being dull. Man, can smell the fragrance of the tree. I'm actually killing something that's alive.
The tree lovers are gonna charge you. You can take it to my slap on the other side.
But I might not get it.
Probably about 4. Yeah, we'll come back to this bottom half. Sure you don't want to take it out outside?
Do you think it'll go drip?
I know it's gonna drip. I mean, you can shake it off, but... I wonder, how loud do I have to talk in this thing? The microphone on this camera is whack. It is whack.
Thanks, I think.
Post-Christmas operations.
Right. Of inland of the Atlantic Ocean.
You can't take it out now. Ooh. What you do? That's how it looks. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get some light. Hopefully. Yeah. It's dripping all sorts of things. All the sap went in and turned that into
Swamp water.
most of the lakes in America looks like this at work. I'm not saying that's not true because I haven't seen most of the lakes. But yeah. Alright. When it done drip again.
Paper towel.
No! Now waste a paper towel on that. Just flip it up so it run down. Have it run down here by the time you reach outside. Yeah. The last time I went downstairs and threw this in the lawn area. Where the tree
area.
Where the tree is, the tree where them plant up right at the breezeway.
Oh.
If you want to put this out there, so cause when I go downstairs now, I don't know if you would eat. I'm not going downstairs right now, so if you're not going downstairs with it, oh. Whew.
See,
And
it's gonna be like.
so, Happy New Year.